are here in Medellin at night. All the clubs, bars, hopping, cops everywhere, and touts looking at you too. But this is the area. Discotheque. You are in Medellin. You can watch sports. Who's playing today? It's Frozen. This will probably be hopping on a weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is a Monday. Rustico, very nice. Empty. This one is the Frior. And it is huge and totally empty. I don't know how these places do it. Menus, about 60. And you feel like you're in the middle of the jungle, given the vegetation and parking. Pretty cool. Juan Valdez coffee. Heard it's really crappy. Big chain. Every American knows Juan Valdez. This is the night walk of Medellin, El Poblado. Get some cherry blossom cakes here. This is hopping during the daytime because the cafes are now closed. They close pretty early. And so do the stores. Mainly stores and cafes here. And that's why all the digital nomads are here, because there's so many nice cafes. Here, coffee talk, full of Colombian coffee. Most of the good stuff's exported. We're in a chocolate and coffee shop. A lot of really nice cafes. So trendy, so bougie. If you come here, come in the daytime, have a coffee. We're back on Calais 10, the big busy street with lots of normal shops, and home to the 2,500 peso ice cream, which is good, at KFC of all places. Okay, this is a big tourist street. People posing. Here we are, Medellin. Night walk in Medellin. Shisha bars. Lots of stuff. Any 2-for-1s. A lot of bars. The other ones were bougie bars. This is just a bar street. Why does everyone have all these streets? Sort of like in Hanoi, all these bar streets. All the tourists are here, for sure. I don't see any deals on beers. Hope I don't get copyrighted on all this music. My God, this place is crazy. What do you got, a coyote? Ugly coyote? Craziness here. Goes on forever. Wow, Medellin, you rock. Just a little quiet. But this goes on forever. My God, it's like a kilometer long. Wow, you got colorful bamboo. You got these lightings. Goes endless. Guzman. Perella. Amigo. Got tacos here, and you got Indian food naan here. Everything. Got British food. And whoa, look at that one over there. Here we are in the main street, the hopping place in El Poblado, Manila, in Medellin. This is a very popular place. All these streets, places to eat. Olivia, Foxy, this is the place to be. Tourists and trendy local people come here to eat. You sit in the middle or have cocktails. Look at this chocolate. Tacos. Sushi. Like a food court there.
Oh my god.
Feels like you're in the middle of the jungle here. Not too busy, these ones. All jungle. Okay, we're heading back to the main area and hopefully back to our hotel. See how green it is here? Look up. You got all these old trees in the middle of the mountain. This is Medellin at night, El Poblado.